Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm Lilah, and I'm here with the Holston Youth Assembly. And today's daily Bible readings come from Psalm 75, 2 Kings 4, 1 through 7, Matthew 10, 16 through 25, Psalm 140, and Jeremiah 23, 16 through 22. And right now I'm going to be focusing on Psalm 75. And this passage is basically telling us how God is our judge and how he judges with equity. And most people today would say that the justice system in America is unfair. But this psalm really just focuses on the fact that we are all God's children and that God loves us equally, but he's not afraid to discipline us. And an example of this is a coach and his team, and how the coach is not afraid to make the team run sprints or run a mile if it means that the team will get better and will actually listen to the coach so they can be successful. And throughout our lives, we're always taught to be humble and to always not celebrate our wickedness. And so if you're on a football team and you got tackled after trash talking, you're going to be humbled. And that's what God does with our sin. He tackles our sin and he tackles us, and he's like, listen, that is not what you need to be doing. And he really just makes us take a step back and focus on what we need to be doing and look at our sin and be like, I need to change this. I need to learn from this, and I need to grow as a person, as myself, and with God. Those who do celebrate their wickedness, in this passage, it states that a cup of foaming wine will be poured over you, and that cup of foaming wine is actually God's fury. And so that's just the discipline that is presented in this passage. So it just shows that God is not afraid to discipline you, but he doesn't want to. He wants you to learn from your mistakes. He wants you to learn from your sin, but it's ultimately just up to you to make that change. So bye, Kennedy.